Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing the watercolor method on these bundles enclosure that I got from Beauty Forever Hair. It's their Malaysian deep curl hair. I am going to be showing you first how it just bleached, or how it took the bleach. Of course it came in its natural color 1B off black, and then I bleached it. And I got it as close to blonde as I wanted it to be, so I know that it would take the magenta dye. So in today's video, I'm using the Adore Magenta semi-permanent hair dye. I'm using 2 or 3 bottles of it. I can't really remember. And then you just want to make sure you have some really, really hot water. I'm using a small container that I got from the Dollar Tree. I pretty much emptied that first bottle into the container. I used quite a bit, and I thought that was all that I was going to have to take, but just keep watching. You'll be able to see how much I actually ended up using. So I want to make sure that I mix it up really good, that all the color is taken into the water and that there aren't any clumps left over at the bottom of the container. And I'm mixing that with my rat tail comb actually. First, I'm showing you guys how blonde I got the hair. So you can see that it was pretty black, and right now it is very close to golden blonde. And I'm going to first dip the closure because that's at the top. So I want to make sure it gets as much color as possible. All right, so we're dipping the hair into the water. I'm letting it sit in there for a minute because I want to make sure it really takes the color. And that water was extremely hot, you guys, like really, really hot. Now I'm just making sure that the hair is all dipped in there so that it is getting as much color as possible. What I did was I tried not to let the lace actually go in there because I wasn't sure if it was going to tint my lace or make the lace or just bleed onto the lace in general. I was really nervous about that, so I tried to prevent that from happening. But you see, the color comes out really, really well. That water was extremely, extremely hot. Oh my God. So I'm just going to dip the rest of the hair, you guys. But let me do a little catch up for you. I have been sick with the stomach flu for a week now. So I haven't eaten since Friday, basically. Like usually how I eat a normal meal, I haven't eaten. I've had crackers, a little bit of fruit, and some water and Powerade. But that's it, you guys. I need to get back on my grind. It's just that stomach flu, stomach virus, stomach bug, it took me out. I have been extremely under the weather, so that's why no videos have been uploaded. I do have more videos for you guys. It's just that when you're sick, you don't want to do anything. So I apologize for my delay in my videos. So, okay, at this point, I'm basically done dyeing all the hair. So I started to create my wig. And when I started to create the wig, I was noticing there was some very odd patches throughout the hair that were colored, but you could tell that they were just missed a little bit. And it wasn't as colored as I needed to be. So I was like, all right, we got to go back in. So guys, I'm inserting this clip from my phone. Sorry, this hot water is fogging up my screen. So I had to go back in and re-dye the hair after I made it into a wig. I made it into a wig, and then as it was sitting out in the sunlight, I could tell that it still had like brown / like orange patches in it. And that wasn't gonna fly for me, so I had some left over of the Adore dye in Magenta, so I just went in and re-dyed it again for a second time. So hopefully it comes out this time a little bit darker and not as orange, and you know, just has all its color to it. This lighting right now is making it look very red and pink on camera, but I promise it is magenta. It looks very magenta. I had 2 of these. I didn't use the full one, but I don't know why I didn't use all of it. I just didn't want to seem like I was overusing it if I could save some for later. I feel like there was no reason to use so much if it was going to take, but now that tells me that it would be best to use as much dye as possible if you really want to get your good color payoff. So I'm just letting it sit in there to make sure it soaks up as much color as possible. Then I'll take it out and wash it, and I'll come back and style it for you guys. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've already been talking to you a little bit since like the beginning of the video. So now what I'm going to do is just get the wig put on. The wig is actually still pretty damp, but this is what the color came out looking like. It's very, very magenta, okay? I like how it came out. Once I did that second dye, it came out even more like purpley, what I needed basically. I created the wig using a dome cap, so I gotta cut the cap underneath the lace, so I have a lace front right there. Alright guys, I had to change location and scenery because where I was sitting at, I couldn't really tell what was going on. I needed some more better lighting. There we go. All right, so I need my wig to lay down a little bit flatter. It's not as flat as I want it to be, so I am going to clean up a little bit while this just sets. And I'm gonna come back on camera and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like once it's, you know, set into all its goodness. So I'll be right back. All right, so it's been about probably 25-30 minutes since I put this on, so it should be pretty laid down by now. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off so we can get to these final touches. Okay, all right guys, so we're about done. I'm just adding the finishing touches to my part. Someone asked what powder I use. I use the Maybelline Fit Me in 375. It's like the perfect parting space color. My hair is now complete. Tell me what you guys think of the color. So it is this color now, you guys. I used the Adore Magenta dye, and it was black at one point. So as you can see, my hair is like full on magenta, and I love the way it came out. More is definitely what you need to use when it comes to dyeing hair. Don't be cheap, don't hold back on the dye, because this is very necessary, okay? So tell me what you guys think. I think it came out pretty good. Pretty good. I like what I see. So this hair is okay. So this hair is from Beauty Forever Hair. So thank you to them for sending me these bundles and this closure, because I am in love with this curly goodness because it has some length to it. I love when my curly units are more long because it just fits my face more, I feel like. So part right here. So I got some cornbread cooking and I want to make sure it doesn't burn. So I want to get through the details of this hair pretty quickly. The hair comes from Beauty Forever Hair on Amazon. I'll put it in the description box below. I'm going to put in the description box below which one I ordered. I'm going to put in the description box below so you guys can know exactly which bundles I got. So this is the Beauty Forever Malaysian curly hair, 3 bundles, and it comes with a lace closure, and it claims to be unprocessed curly virgin human hair, and I got it in the length of 16, 18, and 20. So the longest is 20 inches, and then the closure is 14 inches. So you get 3 bundles and a closure, and right now it says the total for that on their website is $128. However, if you order it now, they do have an 8% coupon that you can use and get a little bit of a discount. So it'll probably roll around to closer to $100 for you if you were to purchase it now. So if you're interested in these bundles, they don't come this color, but they come in black. If you like how the bundles look, yes, you get it. And then also, I just want to throw in there that the bundles took the bleach very well. Like, my bundles were lightening up like super quick, so that's a good thing. The hair bleaches really well. It's shedding a bit, but it's been through a lot, so I expect that. I don't think it probably would shed as much if I would have just made it into a wig without the you know, all that processing. But other than that, y'all, she's a beauty. She's a real cute beauty. Beauty. I love it. If you guys love it too, leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment as well, and if you got this far in the video, subscribe to my channel, okay? And that's all I gotta say, you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.